Mercedes. That's the battery. Looks like a compressor down here. I can touch this. I'm very close. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. A little bit lighter. Crazy exhaust. It's small, it's really small. The plenum, this area is very big. Let's see the back, what they did with the exhaust. The engine mount, carbon fiber, sensor for turbo. Here it's all removed. Don't know if you can see this. A little bit like this. It's all removed. You can see all the sides. Engine mount. Some kind of little thing. So it's very small. This is my hand. There's one hand for one cylinder. So like it's 4 hands. Like 1 meter. 1 meter. You can see in here. No, not really. There are the high voltage cables, very high electricity. You can see the 2 cam, that's where the turbo impellers. I don't know from who. Oh, these are from Mercedes. There is something on it. Some kind of number. I don't know if this is the real coating. It looks like exhaust coating. Crazy. But here is the engine. I think it's from Porsche. I think this is a V6 from Porsche. It's pretty small. But I think the new engines are a little bit smaller. Yeah, it's from Porsche. I can see it. So Porsche did not have a big history in F1. This is V6 twin turbo. Got turbo on this side, turbo on that side. Pretty simple. Looks like a normal V6. Ferrari engine.
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
Smoke.
And battery. And the plenum looks a little bit smaller than the Mercedes. I think Mercedes also has their intercooler integrated in the plenum air intake. What I really think is odd are those crazy bends for the intake The engine looks less compact. It's way longer than the Mercedes one, because I think the turbo is not split. It's the hot and the cold side are just one unit, so this sticks out a lot more than other engines. Again, I'm really close. I can touch it, but I'm not allowed. This is also a crazy duct. Don't know where that's for. Crazy exhaust. Something's on it. Can't read it. So I cannot see any compressor on this side. So it must be the cold compressor must be on the back. You can see the dual overhead cams, like here and here. Pretty crazy. And I see something from the MGU-H. The MGU-H, that's this one. It's a big one. That's for the turbo. So it is an electric engine that powers the turbo, so that if the gas is, if the driver let loose of the gas, the electric will spin the compressor. So if I is going to put his foot back on the gas, he got instant power from the air pressure. So this is the turbo from Ferrari. It's just looking smaller, and that's the cold. That's that will regenerate the battery, and they can deploy DRS, extra electricity, for more performance. You can see it's mounted underneath the exhaust. It's the high voltage. And then, unfortunately, no Honda engine.